Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for your last 15 days of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Pisces. So let's see what's going on with most of the Pisces. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles, followed by the Page of Cups and the World. King of Wands, the Temperance, the Strength, the Queen of Swords, Seven of Cups, the Justice, the Six of Swords. King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, okay. Three of Cups, the Judgment, and the Sun. Okay, I really don't think anything else need to be pulled out after seeing the Sun card. Anyway, so let's see what are the messages from what's the message from this deck for Pisces. Okay, the King of Clubs over here, which is the Magician of this deck. Okay, guidance from the angels. Healer of Thought. Fair Decisions. Two of Thought. Okay, I'll just put it like this. Okay, so let's see. So we're starting with the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the World card. So what I feel here is that there has been a situation which was very slow. Things were just not moving at all. Like, you knew that it is there, this relationship is there, but it is just not happening. Things were not moving forward. They were totally stuck actually, and there was a lot of stagnation over here. Okay, and with the World card and the Page of Cups, what I feel here is that now things are changing. Somebody is ready to open up. Somebody is ready to show the emotions. Okay, so somebody here is opening up with the Page of Cups, and that is the change which is coming in with the World card. Okay, so this situation is ending with the Knight of Pentacles. This situation is ending, which was stagnant, which was stuck. Things were not moving forward at all. And the new change which is coming in the life is, in your life, is that with the Page of Cups, you or the other person is ready to open up. So this stagnation is getting over, and there is beginning of that opening up of the emotions. Okay, and here we have the King of Wands, the Temperance, and the Strength. So what I feel here is, see, this situation, it has one, two, three major cards over here. Following here, we have the Justice also. So what I feel here is with the King of Wands, it is the energy of somebody who was not opening up at all, you or the other person. A lot of says this has been happening since a long time. Yes, this has been happening since a long time. Somebody is trying to balance the situation with they though they're just not opening up, and that is sort of taxing the other person. There's a lot of strength, lot of perseverance and determination in this person, that this person is in control. Basically, that's what I'm getting. This person is totally in control, balancing things, though it is requiring a lot of strength on their part not to open up and keep things to themselves. Some sort of balance is definitely, some sort of moderation is being maintained over here, which is requiring a lot of strength and a lot of patience, and it is been quite some time that things are like that. And here we have the Queen of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the Justice. So what I feel here is somebody became detached over here, somebody became cold, not investing at all, and perhaps with the Seven of Cups, what I feel is somebody is looking for more options, or somebody is looking for more options. That's what I get. And then we have the Justice. So some decision is being taken over here. There's some sort of decision which is being taken over here. Once this person detaches and is available for other options, this person is ready for new options over here, and decisions are being taken, major decisions, because here again we have the Six of Swords. Somebody is definitely walking away. Somebody is definitely walking away towards emotional peace, because there was not emotional fulfillment. This person was emotionally disturbed in this situation, and they decide to walk away. They become detached, cold, ready to open up for other options, to balance their own life, taking a major decision over here, because it's been taxing them. It's happening since a long time. So this person is just fed up with the stagnancy of the relationship, perhaps. And here we have the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. So definitely to me, and here I think we had the King of Wands over here, the Queen of Swords. So here what I feel is since someone decided to walk away from this situation with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, I think both of you are just wondering as to what to do. Maybe this opening up of emotions was not sufficient enough still, though it was a major change, but still this person started moderating and balancing things, though they opened up once. Yeah, now I get it. That's what I was wondering. If this person is opening up over here, then what is the need to walk away? Okay, yes, now I get it. So this person opened up, and then they again perhaps started, and that was looking like a change. Okay, yes, now this things will change, things will be okay, and they were okay also for some time. But again what I feel is this person started Maybe it's you. Somebody here started moderating things again and balancing them, not showing that much emotions because it is a page. Maybe the expression of emotions or showing of the love wasn't sufficient enough or wasn't consistent. It can be anything. It was just a small uh, gesture. Okay, yeah, little bit of opening up, and then again the same balancing and things. And somebody here really got tired of it. They detached themselves from the situation, ready for a new life, different life, opening up to other options, opening up to a new life for themselves, taking a major decision because this was taxing their strength. This was taxing them, their limitations rather. And here with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, definitely it is that couple. Both of you either are in your own, see, it can be now that you are on the same page since the other person is walking away. Both of you are not expressing over here. That is definitely there, but both of you are now at the same page. And both of you still, I feel, is are even if you want this reconciliation, what I'm getting here is that both of you are not showing the emotions still, even if you want to. But with the Three of Cups, maybe some reunion is there. Maybe, or maybe if it was a third party situation and you decided to walk away, maybe that is the decision which is bringing happiness to the situation. Can be this also. Because somebody here is walking away and both of you I still don't see are opening up. Maybe this is the reason with the Three of Cups, that it is a love triangle. Or maybe even if you want a reconciliation, it can happen because we have the Judgment and the Sun following the Three of Cups. So maybe this reconciliation happens also because both of you have that on mind, and that is a major decision which is bringing happiness. Maybe the walking away is able to manifest this reconciliation or reunion. Okay, for some of you, maybe if it was a love triangle or a third party, maybe the walking away itself is the major decision which is bringing happiness to both of you. Can be anything. It's a weird sort of a reading. And here with the King of Clubs, the Magician, it is definitely something new. Something new, a new life, a new life. Something new is manifesting over here. And here we have the Healer of Thought. It is time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give you back should be released as well. You or the another person involved in the situation is wise, insightful and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor and offers a lot of experience. So this is the first card which came out. So I think that's what I'm saying. Maybe the walking away itself is bringing a lot of happiness and contentment to the situation, and that is a major decision which is needed over here. Maybe number 8 is of some significance for you. Fair decisions. Your angels are aware that you have concerns, but be assured that there is nothing to worry about. Stand your ground and know that heaven is shining its divine light upon the situation and all is being healed. Take the time to review all the details thoroughly. Forgiveness will bring peace to everyone involved. And the Two of Thought. The angels have noted that you are not moving forward. You have multiple options that you are reviewing, and you seem to be unable to choose. Ask your angels for the signs as to what direction to take, or just listen to your inner voice. Deep down, you know what to do. So maybe this is a decision which you are trying to take. Okay, moving ahead with life. This is a decision you want to take. The Justice card over here, and walking away itself and starting a new life of your own, leading to a lot of healing. Maybe that is itself bringing happiness to the entire situation over here, if it was a third party or a love triangle. But for those of you who are looking for a reunion, it can be reunion also. So it will be different for different people. I really don't know with whom what it will be. Let's see what is the guidance coming up for Pisces. The Tower, oh my God. The Knight of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. So something unexpected shake up over here for you. Maybe the walking away of the other person is coming up as a shock, which was unexpected. And then you again we have the Knight of Cups. So maybe somebody here was juggling, but now they are done with it and they decide to open up. Page of Wands, yes, a new beginning. The Fool, a new beginning. So maybe this, it can be a reconciliation also. Maybe the person who was juggling is done with that juggling part and they're ready to open up for a new beginning, and they're ready to have a new beginning with you. Perhaps the King of Cups also, followed by the Four of Wands. So commitment, stability. So maybe the person who was juggling is done with it because they didn't expect that the other person will walk away, and they decide to step up from this Page of Cups to the Knight of Cups. And here we have the King of Cups also. Lovers. So it is a divine connection over here. So Pisces, maybe it is a reconciliation also. Can be. Wow, let's see what happens. I am also a Pisces. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet each other in the next video. Bye.